Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Activating two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, helping to protect your personal information. So let's get started on how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on the option that says Account Center. You will find it right at the top of the list. Once inside the Account Center, you will see a section called Password and Security. Tap on it to continue. Now tap on the two-factor authentication option. Select the Instagram account for which you want to enable this feature. Now tap on the SMS or WhatsApp option. Then tap on the next option. Enter your phone number, then confirm it. Finally, tap on the Done button to complete the process. And this is how you can enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.